Welcome back everyone. Now, as you know, there are three types of trend: uptrend, downtrend and sideways trend. So in this lecture, we will analyze the chart of different stocks and find out the current trend. In the previous lecture, I mentioned different trading perspective, and for different trading perspective, we should choose different time frame charts to know about the current trend. For example, for positional trading perspective, we will find out the current trend on daily chart, and for long-term trading perspective, the chart should be weekly chart, and for intraday trading perspective, we should find out the current trend on 15-minute chart. So to analyze a chart, you need a charting platform. I use TradingView platform, but you can use any other platform that you want. You can also use investing.com, but if you are a beginner, I would suggest you not to go for any paid plan. You can simply go to my website, that is jyotibansalanalysis.com, and there you will see a tab charting. If you click on that tab, you will get your chart. This is TradingView platform, and you can simply make a free account here. How to make a free account on TradingView platform, that I have discussed later in the course. There is a separate lecture on TradingView platform, so you can make a free account and you can analyze your chart on this platform very easily. So let's take different examples. This is the chart of Apple Incorporation. First of all, we will choose the weekly chart for long-term perspective. So if we click on weekly chart, we will get our chart, and the look back period for long-term perspective should be 7 to 8 years. So the stock is in uptrend, and the current trend for this stock for long-term perspective is uptrend. But if our trading perspective is positional trading, then we will select the daily time frame chart to know about our current trend. So this is the daily chart, and on daily chart, the look back period for positional trading perspective should be 2 to 4 years. So you can see the stock is in uptrend, and currently this was the retracement phase, and after this correction, this retracement phase, prices are going in upward direction, and the current trend for positional trading in Apple Incorporation is uptrend. And for intraday trading perspective, our chart should be 15-minute chart. On 15-minute chart, we can find out the current trend with a look back period of 6 to 8 months. And in this period, you can see the stock is in uptrend. There are higher highs and higher lows. So the current trend for this stock for intraday perspective is uptrend. Let's take one more example. Now this is the 15-minute chart of Tata Motors Limited, and for intraday perspective, we find out the current trend on 15-minute chart. So on this chart, just analyze the chart and find out the current trend. Now tell me the current trend for this stock for intraday trading perspective. Yes, the current trend is uptrend, as there are higher highs and higher lows, and prices are going in upward direction. So the current trend for intraday trading perspective on 15-minute chart is uptrend. But if our trading perspective is positional trading perspective, we will select the daily time frame chart. And the look back period should be 2 to 4 years. So this is the daily chart of Tata Motors Limited. Now find out the current trend for positional trading perspective for daily chart. Yes, the current trend is downtrend, as there are lower lows and lower highs. Prices are going in downward direction. So the current trend for positional trading perspective for this stock is downtrend. But if we analyze the chart for long-term trading perspective, then we will choose the weekly time frame chart. And on weekly time frame chart, the current trend is downtrend. This was uptrend. From here to here, the trend was uptrend. This was the consolidation phase. Prices were trading in a sideways channel, sideways range. You can see here there were higher highs and higher lows. So the current trend for this period was uptrend, but after this uptrend there was a sideways range. The current trend was sideways and currently prices are going in downward direction. So the current trend on weekly time frame chart is downtrend because there are lower highs and lower lows. Let's take one more chart and find out the current trend for each trading perspective. This is the weekly chart of ICICI Bank. Now find out the current trend for long-term trading perspective as the chart is weekly time frame. Right. The current trend is uptrend and currently the stock is in retracement phase. This was a sharp correction in this stock. This is the daily chart of Vedanta Limited and the trading perspective is positional trading. So find out the current trend on this chart for positional trading perspective. Correct. The current trend is downtrend as there are lower lows and lower highs. Prices are going in downward direction. So the current trend is downtrend. This was a sideways range. After this uptrend, prices are in sideways range for some time and currently prices are in downtrend. Now this is the 15-minute chart of AMD and on this chart you can see from here to here prices were in downtrend. And from this point to this point prices are in uptrend and again prices are going in downward direction. This is the 15-minute chart of Nvidia and on this chart you can see prices are going in upward direction. So the current trend is uptrend. So in this way we can find out the current trend on different charts for different trading perspective. Knowing a trend is very important because trading in the same direction of the trend is very beneficial for us. If you are a beginner, I don't suggest to trade in the opposite direction of the current trend. I would recommend you to trade in the same direction of the trend and after getting experience, you can also trade in counter trend direction, but in the beginning, I would suggest you to trade in the same direction of the trend. In uptrend, we should focus on long position, we should buy the stock and in downtrend, we can focus on short positions. Short selling is a different concept that you will learn in the next lecture. This was all about the trend and how to trade the stock with the help of different indicators and different tools that we will learn later in this course. See you in the next lecture.